So what is that most desired in this three words? He is describing it beautifully. Tamalavarnam. Tamalavarnam. One who is bluish black in color. Bluish black. Correct? Bluish black. That is the color of that person, like a tamal tree. Ravikara. Ravikara means sun rays. Gaura Varambaram. He has a very beautiful, shining, blue-colored dress. Dadane, one who wears a yellowish, golden color. Sun rays like golden dress, glittering dress. One who wears. Yes. Pita Kauseya Vasam. We say that, no? That is the name given to Krishna. Dadane, his word. And Vapuhu. Vapuhu Alaka Kula Avrita. Oh, his body is covered with beautiful, beautiful sandalwood pulp. That's how Chandan is covering his beauty. Ananabjam, his face is like a lotus flower. And he is Vijaya Sakhe. So Bhishma Deva is calling Krishna as Vijay. Vijay is one of the names of Arjun. Vijay Sakhe means friend of Arjun. Don't imagine something else. I am talking about the friend of Arjuna only. Vijay Sakhe, that's another name of Krishna. Ratir Astume, let that person be my meditation. Anavadya, and I don't want any material, fruitive, nothing I don't. I don't want only that person to be my object of meditation. That's how we pray, na? Jagannatha Swam Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me. Let Lord Jagannath be the vision of my eyes. We pray that, right? So that's what he's praying. Vijaya Sakhe be my vision of the eyes. Who is Tribhuvana Kamanam, Tamala Varanam, Ravikara Gaura Varambaram, Dadane, Papuralaka Kula Vrtananabjam, Ananabjam. He has a beautiful face. And he's Vijay Sakhi, the friend of Arjuna. Intimate friend. Sakha hai uska. So that is the person I want. So Bhishma Deva makes it very clear that who is his object of worship, what is it is not Brahman. Yes, Brahman nahi hai. Krishna hai.